Alright guys, we got another one, OBS from Cali, in for a tie-in window. Alright guys, we got another truck in, another one from Cali. OBS, this thing's clean. We're going to be doing a tie-in window. Customer brought his own tie-in window, so we're going to just be doing labor work, installing it, wiring it up, making sure everything's functional. Let's check out the truck.
Perfect.
Guys, tie-in windows installed, powered up, everything is functional, everything came out nice and OEM. I think when you add these seals, it really gives it an OEM look. Check it out. OBS, California, New Mexico, for a tie-in window at Rob's Customs. Nice and clean. That's gonna be it for the OBS. Another one from California, all the way to Rob's Customs. He's gonna want some more work done, starlights, redo the headliner on the inside. So we'll see about that later down the road. But that's gonna be it. OBS tie-in window, Cali to New Mexico. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.